Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rewind, Rejoice, Reboot and Reimagine event. Recently, the Ministry of Culture in India orchestrated a grand event named Rewind, Rejoice, Reboot and Reimagine at the India International Centre. This prestigious gathering marked the culmination of the Culture Working Group's efforts during India's G20 presidency. Embodying the theme Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the event was a splendid mix of traditional heritage and modern technology. The finale of the G20 Culture Working Group presented various opportunities of worldwide cultures, breaking physical barriers via digital platforms. First, G20 Digital Museum Culture Corridor. This unique digital museum, accessible on Spotify, offered an interactive journey through the shared cultural legacy of G20 member nations. Second, Sur Vasudha online launch. It is a celebration of global music traditions, fostering unity and peace through music's universal appeal. The event also unveiled a rich collection of publications and exhibitions. First, Together We Art Catalogue. This catalogue delved into themes like cultural sustainability and ecological awareness through modern art. Second, Under the Same Sky Anthology. Comprising poems from 29 countries, this anthology resonated with universal themes of human connection and hope, highlighting the power of words in overcoming cultural barriers and nurturing understanding. Third, Bharat, Mother of Democracy exhibition. This exhibition emphasized India's long-standing democratic traditions dating back to 6000 BCE, integral to its culture and constitution. Fourth, Readdress Return of Treasures Catalogue. This exhibition and catalogue highlighted the importance of repatriating cultural artifacts. Fifth, Sustain the Craft Idiom online exhibition. This exhibition displayed over 35 crafts, languages, scripts, and including live demonstrations by master artisans, emphasizing sustainable practices. As we move on to the practice questions, we are excited to share with you that Team Drishti is offering 20 to 50% discounts on all its online pen drive and test series courses this Republic Day. Now is the time to test your knowledge. The question is, the Bharat Mother of Democracy exhibition at the event highlighted India's history of democracy dating back to which year? Your options are 1000 CE, 6000 BCE, 1500 BCE or 500 CE. Send the answer to this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.